Welcome fellow traders. In today's video, we will explain 3 methods to close a trade. Let's dive into the details. Method 1. Double-click on the script you want to close. A window will open, displaying various details such as the open position ID, amount, closing rate of the trade, and an option to close at market. Below that, you will find a comment box where you can leave comment. Lastly, there's an open ticket section providing comprehensive information like ticket ID, amount, ad price, type, and script. To close the trade, simply click on the Close at Market button. The trade will be executed immediately. Method 2. Navigate to the bottom of the page and locate the Deals tab. Click on the tab to access your open deals. Here, you will find detailed information such as script name, ticket ID, trade date and time, trade type, quantity, open price, current price, commission charged, used margin, stop loss and target price, profit and loss, and comments. To close a trade, select the checkbox beside the trade you want to close. After selecting the desired trades, click on the Close Checked button. A confirmation window will appear asking if you want to close the checked positions. Choose yes or no accordingly. Method 3. Right-click on the Bitcoin spot trade you wish to close. A dialog box will appear. Select Close Checked Positions from the options. Another confirmation window will appear, asking if you want to close the checked positions. Again, choose yes or no as per your intention. Thank you for watching.